As a human being, you need money to buy a lot of things. You need money to do a lot of things. And as students, you need money to pay for your handouts, to buy your textbooks, to do your assignments. And as females, we need money so we can use the buying sanitary pad monthly. And that thing is not cheap. It doesn't come cheap. So my name is Sharon Izibili. I'm going to be telling you 10 businesses you can actually start up with or without capital. Subscribe to my channel and watch this video to the end so you can get the details.
This blessing, money, testimony. Go to follow,
you don't actually need money to start up some. I'm telling you the ones you can start up with capital, that is with money, and those you don't even need money to start up. Number one is male and female wears. If you're the type that can actually sell male and female wears, if maybe you stay in an area where students really stay, maybe in a hostel or in a place that looks like a hostel, you can actually start selling male or female wears. You don't really need money to start up this kind of business. All you need to do is to have trusted vendors, trustworthy vendors that you can actually get products from, get your goods from, and then sell. Okay, if you don't have a capital, this is what you would do. You have to just go online, look for vendors that have actually sold for people before, or if you have friends that actually sell all of these things, you can actually beg them to tell you the vendor they patronize from, and then all you need to do is to message that person via WhatsApp, and then they will add you to their group. Afterwards, they will be sending you pictures of their product, their goods that are available. So all you need to do is to take those pictures, post it and share it on your pages, whether on Facebook or on WhatsApp. Put them on your status and then tell people that this is what you sell. Then once your friends or anybody says they like it, all you need to do is to chat up the vendor up and then tell the vendor that you want this type of product. Make sure that you are very much genuine. Make sure that you get the colors right, and make sure that it's the exact design that you give to them, because all of these customers would want to, trust you since it's their first time patronizing you. So you can actually do that. But if you have money, you have at least maybe up to about 20,000 naira or above, you can actually buy in bulk. I think it's cheaper that way to buy in bulk. But although I don't really know how expensive some of the clothes are, but I know that male clothes, they are very much expensive. So in that aspect, I don't know, getting capital for male clothes buying in bulk is really very much expensive. So the next one on the list is selling of nightwears. You can actually start selling nightwears. Nightwears are unisex, and also they have that for kids too. You can actually start selling. Maybe if you stay in the hostel, you can do your business in a way that people would want to patronize you, in the sense that you can go from door to door of your hostel. You can knock on the doors and be like, this is what I sell. You tell your friends, this is what I sell. Then when you're in the classroom, go from seat to seat and tell them, this is what I sell. Like, for example, I'll use myself as an example. Most of the time, I really don't, for now, I don't have the capital to start up a business that I will have to buy in bulk. But what I do is that I post my pictures, my vendors' pictures of all the goods and products on my status, that's on my WhatsApp status and on my Facebook status. And whenever anybody wants to buy, I collect the money from them, and then I actually order it on their behalf and then deliver it to them. I remove my part of the gain out of it, and then that is what I do. From there, I've gotten money to buy textbook. I've gotten money to at least do one or two things. It might not be very much. The gain might not be too much, because I will not advise you that you put a lot of money on top of the main price, because if you do that, you're just going to drive customers. Even if as much as 1,000 naira is enough to put on top of a particular product or a particular goods. For example, let me use this as an example. I have products here. I have these goods here. These are nightwears that I actually ordered for some of my friends. These particular nightwears, as you can see, this is how they are. I'll be opening up this one so you see. This particular one is a 3-in-1 nightwear. So this 3-in-1 nightwear, I don't know if you guys can still hear me. This 3-in-1 nightwear comes in a singlet form, a shorts. It comes, this is a shorts, and then this is the singlet. And then it also comes with a hair bonnet. So this is the hair bonnet. So a lot of my friends have actually patronized me with this, and they've actually testified that they like it, and it's not something that will tear on time, or they wear it out, like it doesn't wash, so that kind of thing. You can start selling it. This particular one, you can actually get them in bulk, like wholesale prices. It's more cheap, it's cheaper when you buy them wholesale prices. Then you can actually add maybe 1,000 around top. That is after you've already you also need to know about the transporting down. If your vendors are not in your city, maybe they're like those people I patronize from, my vendors are actually in Aba, Onitsha, all of those places. So most of the time it's very, very difficult to, you know, get your products the same day. So what I do is that I order. If I order today, I get the goods tomorrow, that is the next day. And then I actually make sure that I tell my clients that you are not going to get it the same day, you're going to get it maybe 2 days after. So the next on the list is cleaning business. I do that most times. I am not ashamed of it, because as students you need money. You see, right now you need to remove all the shame, because you know your goal. Especially for those that, especially when you know that you really don't have much people sponsoring you, except you know that you have parents somewhere that are rich to sponsor you. But for me, well, I have to work for almost everything. So you need businesses that you know that you can, that will not affect your schooling, that you know that you can actually do even on weekends. So cleaning business is one of those businesses that is very, very much lucrative. You can actually put your you can do a flyer and then take it around, tell your friends to help you to share it. I'm actually sweating right now because I'm using the ring light and there's no light currently. So you can actually tell your friends to help you to share your flyer, or you can just, you know, go from room to room and tell them that if you know you want to clean your room, please, this is how much I charge. You can charge less, you understand, and then tell them that if they want to clean their room, they should call on you. And when they call on you, please do a good job so you can be called upon next time. So apart from doing that, you can also do cleaning jobs in maybe in a bank or in any firm, because you don't need a certificate. You don't really need a certificate to do cleaning jobs. So you can actually do that. You can even do that in the morning before going for your classes, because there are some cleaning jobs. I have some friends that they go for their cleaning jobs early in the morning, somewhere around 7 to 7:30. When they are done, they go for their classes. In another business that you can actually start up is sewing. Sewing does not really require you going to a sewing school. What I mean is that you just need to buy a sewing machine, or look for all those hand sewing machines that are very, very much cheap. Then what you do is you just go from door to door if you stay in the hostel and tell them, oh, if you want to mend your clothes, please, I have a sewing machine. If in case you want to mend your clothes, please come to me, I'll mend it for you. And then you charge them maybe a little fee. Another lucrative business is night food business. Night food business, like selling food, rice, beans, whatever you know you can sell, even noodles at night. You can actually look for a park or anywhere maybe close to your house that you know that when you come back from class, you just quickly cook the food and then you take it to that place. Like I said, you don't have to be ashamed of anything, because it's you making your money. Night food business is very good because everybody loves food. There's nobody that will not eat. And in student area, people hardly even cook, so you gain it more. So just, you know, look for areas that you know that people are more there, maybe in a park or something. Then when you come back from classes, just cook the food and then take it to that place. Then if you sell for maybe 1 or 2 hours, you come back home, you sleep. The next day you go to class, nobody will even know anything. Even if they see you and anybody laughs at you, forget about it. So far you're making your money. So far the money you're actually paying your bills and all of that. You're not going to do business that is not legit. You're not selling your body for money. Another type of business that you can actually start up is buying from AliExpress. That's buying online. If you're the type that you want products that you can actually sell, affordable products, you can actually download the AliExpress app, log into it, and then start buying from them to resell. I do that most times too. Like if I see a product that on AliExpress that I know that is cheap and in the market is very much expensive, I'll just patronize them. And then although it takes a longer time to come, but when it comes, you enjoy it because the price, the gain on top of it, you know, is big. You gain it more, you have more profits from it. So for example, you can buy things like this. This is actually a fruit blender. people love this kind of things. People love these things. And apart from being a fruit blender, you can use this to blend your tomatoes, and this does not really require light. So people love what, electricity in Nigeria is something else. People love this kind of things. You can actually buy that. Or if you are a content creator like me and you have friends that are also content creators, you can actually go there and buy a mic. I got this wireless mic from AliExpress. I got it for 4 naira. I have a video on it. You can actually scroll down on my channel and see how I got this AliExpress mic. 4 naira. This was actually my first order from AliExpress. So there are other products you can actually get from there. You can get beauty things, a lot of things. I actually have a video on AliExpress haul, like where the things I ordered from AliExpress, where I actually showed you guys what I ordered from AliExpress. So you can go check the video out. Most of those products were not mine. They were actually either for my cousin that I ordered for, or those were from my clients that I ordered. I just showed them the pictures and then told them that it's going to come in 2 months time, and they were ready to wait because they weren't as expensive as that in the market. So you can actually start doing that. They sell a lot of beauty things. They sell creams, they sell products, they sell face masks, they sell facial scrub, they sell all those masks, all those charcoal masks and all of that. They sell all of those things. They even sell clothes there, so you can patronize them. Whatever gadget you want. My phone pack that I'm using right now, I got it from there. I think I got it for 120 naira. So you see how cheap all of these things are. Even this, I forgot to say, this hairband is actually from AliExpress. I got it for 150 naira from AliExpress. It came, I bought 10 from there because I sold the rest to my friends. So I just used the opportunity to get extra one for myself, which is this one. Another business idea is selling of perfumes. There are so many perfumes these days, small, big, whatever sizes. And right now, the one that is selling the most now is their perfume oils, and there are different mils. There's 3 mil, 5 mil, and then 10 mils. So those 3 mils, they are very, very much affordable. There are some that you just need to resell for 600 naira, and you have your 300 naira gain for just one. And this one comes in packet form. So another business you can venture into is soap and shampoo business, because everybody uses soap, and in student areas they would want affordable soaps that they can use. Everybody wash their uniform every time, they wash their clothes every time. So you can actually go to hostels. Even if you don't stay in that hostel, just look for any school hostels around you, and then apart from school hostels, you can actually go to any place and then advertise your soap, show them samples, show them how to use it and all of that, and people will patronize. Even shampoo, ladies love shampoo for their hair and all of that. So you just need to know how to market your business very well. Another lucrative business is writing books. Whether you are doing assignments for people, which I know it's not advisable, but most people earn money from it. You don't really have to. There's most people that do the project work for people. They actually get paid doing it, but I really don't know how they do it, and I don't know if it's legal, but I know people do it. So if you know that you're the kind of person that you are a scholar, you are very, very much brilliant, you can actually venture into that. And also writing of books in the sense that you can actually, if you are the type that you know how to tell stories very well, you know how to write very well, then put it into writing. Tell your story in writing. If you are the type that knows how to draw, like all these kids book, cartoon books and all of that, you can actually do that into writing, and then go to a publisher, go to any place, and then try to see how much it is to publish your book, your novels. It will really, really serve you, because as a student, people would like to patronize you, read books from you. That's why it's good to make friends with people that will naturally support you. You can actually start selling creams or shampoo, what's it called, body scrubs and all of that. If you have vendors that actually sell legit products, that sell things that are very much effective, you can actually start buying from them and then reselling. Try to resell a lot of things. When you go to the market, this is what I do most times. When I go to the market and I see that there are some products that are out, all I do is to meet the people selling it. I will be like, please let me snap these products and then show it on my status. If anybody wants to buy, I will come and patronize them. So I started doing that for 2 months ago. I will go to the market, I will snap makeup items, and then I'll put them on my status, on all my social medias, and then anybody that wants to buy, I'll be like, okay, this is how you buy, this is the process. Then anyone that pays, I will just go to that place, get it from them, remove my gain, and then maybe it down to the person if the person is not in Benin City. But if the person is in Benin, I'll just make sure that the person pays for it. Doing POS business is very, very much lucrative, because people withdraw every time. the people will need money. So if you are in class and then maybe they say, oh, go and buy this one, go and pay for this, people will be like, oh, I'm cashless and this and that. Just make sure that you carry some cash with you. That's if you have the money. But if you don't, you can actually maybe ask for people to support you, or maybe borrow some money from some persons to start the business, then save up, pay them back, and then start owning the business yourself. So another thing is, you can actually also do card business, recharge card. Everybody wants recharge card, especially those staying in the hostel. If you're opportune to stay in the hostel, recharge card, especially at night when you can't go out to go buy, you can actually tell them, oh, I sell recharge card. Advertise your business, let people know what you are doing so that they can actually patronize you. So you can go from door to door or go from seat to seat in your class and be like, this is what I do, and definitely they will patronize. Beg people to post your flyers on their status. So today I'll be giving a shout out to Lily Back and Inspired by Sase. These two have been my friends, my sisters on these YouTube streets. You can go check out their channel. I'll put their handle on the screen. Lily Back and Inspired by Sase. The channel is very, very much fun. I promise you that when you go to their channel, you would binge watch their videos from A to Z, from the beginning to the end. So please subscribe to their channel. Go there and say you are from my channel, you are from Sharon. They'll be very nice and supportive. Another person I'm going to also give a shout out to is Life with Queenette. Go check out our channel. I'll also be putting a handle on the screen. Life with Queenette is our channel name. So please go and say you are from Sharon. Okay, that is it, guys. So we've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be dropping other tips on marketing your business as a student and all of that. So please stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment down below which business you know you would want to start, and also give me other ideas and other tips that we can actually still share here that will help people. And if you have businesses that you know that you can actually teach someone for free, or you have products that you know you can sell to people and also give them discounts, or you are the type that you are a wholesaler, please comment down below so anybody that goes through the comments would want to patronize you and do business with you. But please be genuine, be legit, and stay blessed. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.